again, you had your first
6 client week. And 6 clients is kind of where I'm at the moment with what I can cope with. So I'm really happy with that. 2 of them were repeating clients that just come every now and again. And one cancelled, and the other 3 were all new clients. So it's working. It's all moving in the right direction. It's very cool. Yes, very
So I
exciting.
have a bell. Where's my bell? Hold on, you got to ring the bell. I bought a lovely little bell on eBay.
Yeah.
It's like,
I've got a bell here somewhere. Where's my bell?
you've got to ring your bell.
I'll go find my bell. Hang on.
Go ring your bell. So good.
I don't know where it's gone. Kids like it. It's moved.
Yeah, I just got to. Oh, there we go. So good.